Hello students, in chapter number 10 practical geometry, today's topic is construction of triangles. So let's start. As we know that the classification of triangle based on the sides and angles, and on the basis of the sides, triangles are three types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Similarly, on the basis of the angles, there are three types of triangles: right angle triangle, acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Also, in the chapter number 7, triangle and its properties, we have studied about the properties of triangles. So let's revise them. That exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the measure of the sum of two opposite interior angles. So in this triangle, A is the exterior angle, so it is equals to sum of B and C. Next property says the total measure of the three angles is 180 degrees. So in this triangle ABC, angle B plus angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now also we know that sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So if we have the triangle ABC, then we can say AB plus AC, that is greater than BC. Also AB plus BC is greater than AC. Again BC plus AC, it is also greater than AB. And further, for the right angle triangle, we have the Pythagoras property. In a right angle triangle, this angle is 90 degrees. So angle opposite to the 90 degree angle, that is known as the hypotenuse, and this is the perpendicular, and this side is known as the base. So the Pythagoras property says hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. In short, we write it as h square is equals to p square plus b square. Also, in the congruency of triangle chapter, we learned that the triangle can be drawn if any one of the set of measurement are given. As three sides are given, then we can construct a triangle. If the two sides and the angle included between the two sides is given, then also we can construct. If two angles and the side included between them is given, then also we can construct the triangle. Similarly, in the right angle triangle case, we have, if it is known as hypotenuse and one of the leg, that is perpendicular or base, then also it is possible to construct a triangle. So on the basis of these 4 points, today's topic is the construction of the triangle that three sides measure is given. So let's start the construction. So question, if I am saying we have to construct a triangle ABC where side AB is 5 cm, side BC is 7 cm and side CA is 6 cm, then first we have to construct a rough figure or a rough diagram. We have to make and write all the measurements in this triangle. So as you observed, this is the rough diagram of the construction, where we are getting all the three sides are of different measure, that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. And here, if we are taking BC as a base, then other two sides we can construct, or anyway we can take any one side as a base, then also we can construct the two sides. So let's take BC is the base. So first step of the construction is draw the line segment BC is equals to 7 cm. So let BC is 7 cm, and then with this point C as a center, we have to cut an arc of radius 6 cm. So take the compass, open the compass for 6 cm radius, place the pointer of the compass at point C, cut an arc with the help of pencil of 6 cm. Similarly, with B as a center, measure the compass, open for 5 cm radius and place the pointer at this point B, and with the help of compass cut an arc of 5 cm. The two arcs of 6 cm and 5 cm intersect each other at a point. Let the name of this point is the third vertex A. Now, then we have to join this vertex, this intersection point A to the point C as well as point B. So now here we get the triangle of given three side measurement. So in this way we have to construct the triangle when the three sides are given, and any one of the side we can take as a base, and further by taking the radius we can cut the two arcs which intersect at a point, so that will be the third vertex of the triangle. So I hope you are able to construct the triangle when the three sides of the triangle are given.